Hello boys and girls. Today we're going to do something different. Our theme is flowers. So since we're working on flowers, we're going to learn a new game on how to play with petals and count them. Today's question is, how many petals do we have now? And I'm going to teach you how to play the game. I made a circle. You could make a circle out of any piece of paper. I made a circle, and for my use today, I put Velcro in the front, and I put Velcro also in the back so it could hold my petals. The whole idea of this game is that you take a number. I have the number 1, and I put it in the middle of my flower, and we have to guess. The child has to guess how many petals they could put. So like this one is the number 1. How many petals would I put on my flower? Here goes 1 petal. My flower has 1 petal. And this gives your child a chance to see visually the number and the petal. And I would like them also to say the color of the petal, if you could do this at home. I'm going to show you how you do it at home a little simpler. Let's try another number. Let's say I had the number, let's pick any number, the number 5. You would say, how many petals now? And your child could use their fingers to count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then they would take the petals and put them on and see if they could count each petal individually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And visually, they see the number 5 and they could count the petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, the easier way to do this at home, if you don't have these things that I have, or the Velcro, I just cut construction paper and made it into shapes of petals, and I have a round circle. But if you don't have this at home, there's another way that you could do it at home that's much easier. Let me show you how you do it. At home, the simpler way is you take a piece of white paper, any type of paper, construction paper, and you take a pencil. And you might ask your child to do the circles because your children, some of them know how to do circles, or you could do them for them. And you could make as many circles as you want. I'll make 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, and you can make them different sizes. It doesn't matter what size it is. So you have circles on a piece of paper. And then what you could do is randomly, you could ask your child to write the number, or you could help your child write the number. Let's say I write the number 4 here. I could use anything. You could use anything to count. I'm going to use beans. So I have a circle or a petal or a flower with the number 4. So your child, I'm using beans for this purpose. Your child would take the beans and tell you how many petals do they have now. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many petals do I have now? You would ask your child, and your child would count and tell you how many petals. And we do this with different numbers. We could put a number here, number 1. How many petals do you have here? 1. And that's an easier way of playing the game. How many petals do I have now? I hope you have fun doing it. It's for practice of your numbers. See you later.